Are you ready to turn your Valentine's Day into a celebration that bursts with creativity and love? What if I told you that your ordinary tree could become the centerpiece of your holiday decor? Get ready to explore 6 inspiring ways to craft Valentine's tree decorations that will fill your home with warmth, charm, and a whole lot of heart. How to turn your Valentine's tree into a yearly tradition. A Valentine's tree can become a cherished tradition, evolving with your family's style and creativity. Memory baubles. Add a new ornament every year to symbolize milestones or moments of love. Interactive trees. Create a tradition of writing love notes and hanging them on the tree to read together later. Seasonal transition. Consider using a base tree that can transition seamlessly into other holidays with different themes. See the products featured in this video linked in the description below. How to incorporate a Valentine's theme with DIY decorations. DIY decorations are a fun and meaningful way to customize your Valentine's tree while spending quality time with loved ones. Paper garland. Create garlands from red and pink paper hearts strung together for an easy craft. Homemade photo ornaments. Use small frames or print photos of your favorite memories to hang on the tree. Upcycled love. Transform old decorations into Valentine's-themed items with a little paint and glitter. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite DIY Valentine's craft idea. We'd love to hear from you. How to style the area around the Valentine's tree. The tree might be the centerpiece, but the space around it sets the stage for a magical Valentine's Day ambiance. Romantic drapery. Use sheer curtains or pink-toned fabric to create a dreamy backdrop for your tree. Themed floor decor. Add a red or heart-patterned tree skirt or sprinkle faux petals around the base. Tabletop love. Place candles, framed love quotes, or mini gift boxes nearby to complement the tree. Explore the description for more Valentine's decor ideas to make your space shine. What are some themed additions beyond ornaments? Elevate your Valentine's tree by thinking outside the box. Add elements that truly embody the essence of love. Fresh or faux flowers. Adorn your tree with roses or other flowers for a romantic vibe. Scented additions. Use sachets or potpourri with Valentine's scents like vanilla or rose to make your tree a sensory experience. Love tokens. Attach small wrapped chocolates or candies as both decor and treats. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all our creative holiday decoration ideas. What store-bought decorations can make your tree pop? Not into DIY? No problem. Store-bought decorations can be just as stunning for your Valentine's tree. Velvet ribbon. Wrap your tree in luxurious velvet ribbons in deep red or soft pink tones. Pre-lit heart toppers. Use a glowing heart as a tree topper to draw all the attention. Theme-specific baubles. Look for ornaments featuring lovebirds, cupids, or roses for a cohesive look. Check the description for a curated playlist of more decor ideas like this. What are Valentine's tree decorations? Valentine's tree decorations transform a traditional tree into a love-themed display that captures the spirit of the holiday. Think hearts, red hues, and heartfelt messages. Heart-shaped ornaments. Craft or purchase heart-shaped baubles in shades of pink, red, and white for a festive touch. String lights with a twist. Use string lights in warm tones or shaped like hearts to add a cozy glow. Personalized messages. Attach small love notes or quotes to the branches for a personal touch. Love these ideas? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs Valentine's inspiration. Who knew a tree could be so versatile and meaningful? Whether it's DIY decorations, store-bought flair, or a mix of both, your Valentine's tree can light up your home with love and creativity. So why wait? Start decorating and let your Valentine's spirit shine.